say she fuck with ganja. Bring out the monster. For the two take shots, let down my anger. Gunman she a fuck. Me give father, remember days me did have to beg a ring dropper. Now me full of phone and change SIM card. See Big Ben spark, me have to sing father. 15 I full of tank. The things my way, I'm never business if my rank. Lift a rifle with a pan, then a chop on them the scam. Then a chop on them the chop. So me tight to the street, 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we tweet. All two of me are 6 foot. Walk beside you, me not care about the blogs or who want to find out.
Enough behind me, you are my mom, so you have to stick beside me. No, you love the
them jelly from them, this them artillery. Dirk send them to the cemetery. The box are shot heavy, ready for the military work. Remember
in the comfortable like on a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 bill feet. Them I just
this color play hard cause we drape him fam. Bunch check and break him man. Skull card off Max for my favorite brand.
Close the door. Call me anything you want, but can't call me for. Can't call me for. There's no.
I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them.
641.
Of Jamaica.
Associated, yeah.
Yeah.
What was the first thing you did when you got out, man? This is over. This is what, 14 years? How long you gone?
12 years and 10 months, to be exact.
12 years and 10 months. Wow. So what did you do when you got out?
I had sex.
By the way, the best part for people listening, he's saying it with the person who he had sex with in the room with him too.
Yeah. She's here, babe. Where you going? Come back.
And you have plans to? Do you guys have plans to get married soon?
Yeah, she's my fiance. I proposed to her while I was in prison. Like I said, I was confident that I was getting out. Yeah, I never had any doubt like I wasn't coming out. So,
wow, that must have been.
She's from England.
Yeah, she's from.
Does she have any cousins or sisters or anything?
She was born in Turkey.
Oh, really?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was born in Turkey. Meet? Well, we met in 2015. She actually stalked one of my baby mother's Instagram because she couldn't find me, so she had to watch who my baby moms was following. So she found me through my baby mom's Instagram. Sorry, Amanda. Yeah.
What a life.
What a life. And then she eventually found you and you guys connected while you were still away?
Yes, it was 2015. So we've been connecting for like 9 years now. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she was amazing.
Cartel, I don't know how much we're allowed to ask you. I'm not trying to get all up in your business, but like what was it like? Like you was in like a prison? Like
hell yeah, it was a prison. It wasn't like a 5-star hotel, trust me. But I mean,
it wasn't like no.
But I'm Vibes Cartel, so I got what I wanted. But you know, what I mean, it's still prison.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the question that always came up. Cartel was like, how did how'd you make the music that you made? I mean, you had Fever is one of your biggest records of all time. It came out while you were gone. So how much can you say about like what that process was like for you?
Yeah, we're not trying to snitch on you.
No, we're not.
We just so curious. We fans, bro.
No, I'm out of prison right now, so it's all good, man. It's all good. Remember, I'm out right now, so I'm out right now.
Okay, because like the first couple years, you were still releasing music, and everybody was like, yo, he just records so much that it's just music that's been left over that's coming out. And then after 5 years, we were like, yo, my man, what's going on here? Like,
Putting out music.
he's like referencing modern day shit. We like, what's going on here?
Well, initially that was true because I did record a lot of songs. So like in the first
Of course.
year, yeah, we had songs unreleased. But then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The songs ran out and we had to do what we had to do. So that's when I started recording like behind bars, which was, I mean, it wasn't really that hard because, you know, technology made it easier. You know, I used to record on the iPhone 6. Yeah, because it has an amazing, not the 6, the 5 Plus. Or the 5, what's it, the 5 maybe? Or the 5S, something like that. Yeah, but it has an amazing sound quality. Yeah, so Fever, all those songs were recorded on that little iPhone.
With a mic? You got a mic attached to it?
No mic. I had to DJ directly into the iPhone.
Straight into the phone?
Yeah, but I used my on the bunk. They gave you a mattress, right?
Oh my God.
So I used the mattress to imitate the padding in the studio. So I had the phone like 3 feet away from my face, and I wrapped the mattress around my head and recorded.
Yo,
it was crazy, man. On my knees too.
And you had the beat.
It was crazy, bro.
You had the beat in the headphones?
Yes, I had the beat in a separate. Yeah, exactly. So the beat was in the headphones in a separate phone, and the iPhone or on my iPad, and then I had to record directly into the iPhone. So you know, it went into the iPhone as a cappella, and then we had to send it to the studio and the engineer. Yeah.
Of course. You must have an amazing engineer or a set of engineers.
A set of them. Big up Dunwell and big up Red Boom. Yeah, man. Trust me.
You can't be afraid to think outside the box. And the recipient for the 2023 Soca Impact Award showed all of them qualities here and more. Yeah. So we will find out who are the recipients. Sinful.
The nominees.
Okay.
And the winner is...
Yeah, they're not supposed to bring one thing from here. Yeah, I'm not supposed to give Patrice something. Yeah,
And the winner is...
The winner of the 2023 Soca Impact Award.
Pumper. Make some noise.
Big up yourself.